Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the meeting already open. First, make sure Zoom has camera permission in your device settings so the app can access the rear lens. Once done, close other camera apps to avoid conflicts, then tap the video icon in Zoom's toolbar. That opens your current camera feed. You'll see a small camera switch or three-dot menu. Follow it now to prepare for switching. This prevents freezes and readies the back camera for the next step. Now switch to the back camera. Tap the camera flip icon or open more three dots and select Switch Camera. Zoom toggles front to rear. If you don't see the icon, make sure your video is on and you're not screen sharing, then reopen the menu. Once rear camera shows, adjust framing by rotating the device. Landscape gives wider coverage. Tap the preview to set focus and exposure and make small physical adjustments so the subject is centered and well lit. Finish by confirming others can see the rear view. Ask a participant to confirm because visual feedback avoids guessing. If the back camera doesn't appear, quit and reopen Zoom, then toggle camera permission in your device settings. That often clears the issue. If problems persist, try an external camera app to verify the hardware or use a USB/external camera and select it in Zoom's video settings. This ensures you complete the switch and maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.